Kate Middleton at the time and Prince William on their wedding day. Kate Middleton bows her head as Prince William does a salute. I've always admired how she followed protocol from day one. She was always an expert at it. And here she is, getting out of the carriage, and Prince William patiently waits for her and puts his hand out, extends a supportive hand for his new wife, helps her get out of the carriage, and she herself is also patient with getting out of the carriage, walking slowly and allowing the royal aide to assist her. Here we can see Princess Diana and Prince Charles at the time on their wedding day, arriving at Buckingham Palace for the famous balcony appearance. Princess Diana's dress was quite bulky, although beautiful, but it was very bulky and had a lot of different layers and intricacies to it. So here she is, stepping out of the carriage. Prince Charles at the time helped her. Princess Diana seemed to be a little bit irritated with her dress. It had a lot of layers to it and it was bulky and it was dragging behind her, I suppose. So instead of her waiting patiently for the royal aide to help her out with the dress, she kept walking on. And then here she's trying to take pictures, but you can see it in her face. She was awkward. You can tell she was really fed up. But she still smiled, gave that little smile to the camera and walked on. But in contrast to Catherine, who patiently got off the carriage, her dress was a lot smaller and more manageable, so she looked more graceful and elegant. And also Prince William at the time was patiently waiting for her as well. Nobody was in a rush for Kate's time. Yeah, so if you like videos like this, please subscribe to the channel with notification bell turned on so you don't miss that next upload. Thank you so much for your support on the channel, and I shall see you on the next video. Don't forget to check out the community tab and playlist section for more. Thanks guys, bye!